This is the Lockpicking Lawyer. Most of you are probably familiar with this lock. It's the American Lock Series 700. It's a commonly used and very commonly copied lock in the United States. But most of you are probably not familiar with this one. It's the American Lock Series 600, the immediate predecessor to the Series 700. If you look at the bottoms of these locks, the differences become pretty quickly apparent. On the 700, we have a hardened steel retaining plate holding the core in and providing some drill protection. Not so over on the 600. On the 600, in the bottom of the lock, we have a large brass plug, and into that plug is set our brass core. Looks like probably one of the easiest locks you can imagine to drill out. Nothing exposed but nice soft brass. But we are not here to talk about drilling locks, we're here to pick them open. So let's see what we can do to get into this 600. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension. 50 thousandths pry bar fits nicely, and let's get to picking. One's loose, two's loose, three's loose. Click out of 4, nothing out of 5. He feels set already. 1, 2, okay, 3's binding, got to click there. 4 and 5 are still set. Here we go, 2, and 1 should be the only one left. Yep, that got her open. So, nothing but standard pins, not terribly difficult. This lock can be disassembled to some extent. Let's, we've got a screw down the shackle hole that allows us to remove the core. Unfortunately, this core cannot be further disassembled without a little bit of destructive force to remove those pressed in brass plugs that are on the side and the top of the keyway. They also restrict the movement to make sure you don't over-rotate the lock. So we're not able to fully gut this. However, it's nothing but standard pins. You probably don't care to see it anyway. In any case, that's all I have for you on the American Lock Series 600. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.